Hi there. It's Roy Callan here with Roy S. Callan Luxury Group, powered by Keller Williams Home Realty here in Farmington Hills. Are you curious about what's happening in the residential real estate market right now? Whether you're planning to buy, sell, or invest in residential real estate, understanding market trends is essential to making informed decisions. So today I'm breaking down the key trends shaping the residential real estate market and what they mean to you. So, what are market trends? Market trends are shifts in real estate activity, like changes in home prices, or inventory levels, or buyer demand. These trends are often influenced by factors like mortgage interest rates, the US economy, and even seasonal patterns. So, keeping an eye on market trends can give you a competitive edge. Let's take a look at three important market trends. One, inventory levels. Right now, inventory, or the number of homes available for sale, is a big talking point nationwide. In many areas of the country, and especially here in the Detroit area, inventory is low, which means fewer options for buyers and more competition for sellers. For buyers, this means you need to act quickly when you find a home you love. For sellers, this could be an opportunity for you to maximize your home's value and could result in your home selling quickly for top market value or more. Second trend, rising or falling home prices. Home prices are another critical factor. Question for you: do you think prices are rising or stabilizing in the Detroit area? Well, not an easy question to answer, but this tends to depend upon certain areas and price points. In the more sought after and desirable areas of the Tri Counties, especially areas with price points favorable to first time home buyers, prices continue to creep upward. Buyers in these areas might face more competition, but sellers can benefit from strong offers. On the flip side, there are areas in southeast Michigan where prices are stabilizing, causing homes to be on the market for many months before selling. Here, sellers are routinely adjusting their prices down over the life of their listing in order for them to sell their houses, which means that for these areas, it might be a great time for buyers to enter the market. As an experienced, seasoned realtor, I have tools and strategies to help you as a buyer, seller, or investor identify home pricing trends in order for you to maximize your opportunities. And trend number three, mortgage interest rates. Mortgage interest rates have a huge impact on the market. Lower rates make borrowing more affordable, which can drive up demand and home prices. Conversely, rising rates might cool buyer activity, creating opportunities for savvy buyers to negotiate. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or an investor, it's important to remember that historically, mortgage interest rates are temporary and cyclical. And though mortgage rates are an important factor, your motivation and needs are usually a higher priority. If a life changing event is on the horizon for you, and it may affect your home selling and buying situation, let's sit down and talk. I can help you prioritize your real estate needs, and I can recommend an outstanding mortgage professional if necessary. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, whether you're buying or selling, understanding these trends help you make smarter decisions. For example, if you're a seller in a low inventory market, you're likely in a strong position. But if you're a buyer in this same market cycle, Working with a knowledgeable agent like me is important to help you navigate competitive situations and still be successful at finding the right home for you. So, do you have questions about the real estate market, or do you want to know how these trends impact your specific situation? Let's connect. I'd love to provide you with local insights and personalized advice to help you achieve your real estate goals. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to